E-discovery service providers versus law firm discovery teams. Which one is better for complex litigation? Most law firms assume that handling all discovery internally is the safest route. The surprising truth is that e-discovery service providers can often manage complex litigation more efficiently, especially when data volumes are massive and deadlines are tight. Law firm discovery teams consist of paralegals, associates, and support staff who review documents, prepare data for production, and coordinate internal workflows. They have intimate knowledge of the case, which is essential for strategic decisions. However, for cases involving millions of emails, contracts, or multimedia files, internal teams can become overwhelmed, leading to bottlenecks and increased costs. E-discovery service providers specialize in managing large-scale data for litigation. They leverage advanced software for document indexing, search, predictive coding, and analytics. For instance, a multinational corporation facing antitrust litigation might outsource e-discovery to a provider that can process terabytes of emails and contracts quickly, flag relevant evidence, and provide audit-ready documentation. Providers often scale resources dynamically, which is difficult for internal teams to replicate. The key difference is scalability and technology versus case familiarity and control. Law firm teams offer strategic oversight, while e-discovery providers deliver speed, automation, and cost efficiency for high-volume review. Many firms combine both approaches, outsourcing the heavy lifting to e-discovery providers, while keeping internal counsel focused on analysis, strategy, and privileged material. The takeaway is clear: for complex litigation with large datasets, e-discovery service providers are often the more efficient choice. The surprising truth is that leveraging specialized providers does not reduce control, it enhances your team's ability to focus on the high-value legal work that drives outcomes. For any organization navigating complex litigation, understanding the strengths of e-discovery versus in-house discovery ensures faster, cost-effective, and legally compliant document review.